Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel MIK Islam Hub. Today, we'll share a story that will inspire you to trust in Allah's plan and be patient in times of difficulty. Meet Ali, a young farmer who lived in a small village. He worked hard every day, but despite his efforts, his crops were struggling to grow. One day, Ali decided to make dua to Allah, asking for his help and guidance. He prayed, "O Allah, I trust in your plan and have patience in your decree. Please grant me a bountiful harvest." But days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Ali's crops continued to struggle, and he began to lose hope. One night under the light of the full moon, Ali made dua again. This time he prayed, "O Allah, I know you are the most merciful and most powerful. I trust in your plan and have patience in your decree. Please grant me a sign that you are with me." The next morning, Ali woke up to find his garden transformed. A miraculous rainstorm had nourished his crops, and they were now growing stronger than ever before. Ali was overjoyed and grateful. He prayed, "O Allah, I thank you for your mercy and guidance. I trust in your plan and have patience in your decree." Ali's story teaches us the power of dua and the importance of trusting in Allah's plan. When we make dua with sincerity and patience, Allah responds in ways we cannot imagine. May Allah guide us all to trust in His plan and be patient in times of difficulty. Ameen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share our videos with your friends.